I'm in my studio today and I wanted to share this control spray gun with you. It's actually a sprayer for painting interior, exterior. But I use it in my studio, in my pottery studio, to spray glazes, which is fantastic. So it has other options besides just painting. It comes with your gun, which has a little simple trigger. This rotates into 3 different positions so that you can spray at a fan shape this way, and just plain round. It comes with 2 containers. I mean, these are big. This is 48 fluid ounces. So that's pretty big. So it holds a lot. I never even use quarter of the glaze because it's such a big amount. It has a small control unit, and that is all it is. No compressor needed. That is what I like the most of this. No compressor needed. It's a simple light unit. It has a long cable, so it literally is an electric sprayer, and that's all it is. No compressor. It has an extremely long hose, and it's very simple. You just put the hose in one end, and then put the other end of the hose in the other end. Fill your glaze or your paint in your containers. It comes with a suction straw, which goes into the bottom of this, and you angle it so that when this angles to spray, it's picking up any fluid that's in the corner there. And you just turn this. There, you just attach that. Switch this, plug this on, and here's got an on-off button. And at the back here has a pressure control so that you can extend the pressure or lessen the pressure like you would a compressor, but it is so much easier. You need less. It's quieter because there's no compressor. It really is fantastic. I'm so happy with it. I bought 3 more of these tubs, so I can actually prepare my glazes or paints in 5 different colors. I don't have to keep cleaning out one and redoing it and filling this one up. I actually have 5 options, and you can just switch and clean everything at the end. And that's all it is. And while you are busy, in between, it has a place to hold your control so that there's no spillage or anything like that. It's a fantastic unit. I love it for glazes, and I'm sure for spraying interior, exterior, it's just as good. No compressor. I mean, what is better than that? It's fantastic. I use it all the time for spraying glazes.